Today, we will introduce the functions of these keys. First one is off. There are some options on the menu. The first one is off effect. It is to close the shape effects on the selecting features. The features not being selected will not be affected. Let's have a look. For example, I fade in an effect. Now, I select the feature, for example, number 4. When I select this option, off effect, we will find the feature of number 4 had stopped. Others keep going. Let's continue. The next option is off all effects. These functions will close all the features, whatever had been selected or locked. For example, I fade in again. And now, even though I did not select any feature, if I select this option, all the features had stopped. And the next one, of selected features. This function will lamp off the selected features. For example, 3 and 4. When I select off, 3 and 4 had closed the lamp. After I press clear, it will come again. Besides, there is an option, release all playbacks. For example, I had run several playbacks, like these several. When I select this option, all of them will close together at the same time. And if you want to run these playbacks again, you have to fade them in again. Besides, when the off is on, you can press the button here to close the playback one by one. This is the off function. Next one is copy. You can copy the group, preset, effect, macro, and the playbacks. After I press copy, for example, I copy a playback, like this one. I select it first, and then select which target I want to copy to. For example, 12. After finished, you will find there is a new playback here. Let's have a look. Just now, I had copied a playback to an empty place. But if there is something inside here, when I press copy to here, it will have some options: override, merge, or copy to last step. But please notice, copy to the last step can be only used on the queues. This is the function of copy. The next one is delete. When I press delete, you can delete the options here. For example, all data, all the presets, all playbacks, or all the groups. But if you want to delete only one data, for example, I want to delete this playback, I can just press this button twice like this. Then this one had been deleted. This is delete. And there is a function move. You can move all the data to another place. For example, I want to move this playback to number 12. Now, this one will be deleted and will be moved to number 12. Just now, this one have no playback now, but it had moved to here. And besides, if this one and this one, they have data inside, when I use move, for example, this one, move to number 7. Now, it will have option override or swap. For example, I select swap, that's it. Now, just now, number 12 will move to here. And number 7 is here. This is the function of move.